everybody, welcome to Kids Craft Corner with the Hocutt-Ellington Memorial Library. I'm Miss Joy, and today we're gonna make a love monster. We will start by looking at the little bag that you picked up from the library. In that bag you have a few things. You have a set of instructions, you have a couple of strips of dark purple paper, you have a set of 3 eyes, you have some various sizes and shapes of colored paper and black paper, and you have a paper plate. You will also need a pair of scissors that fit your hands, some Elmer's glue, and any kind of extra stickers or glitter glue or fun things that you want to decorate your monster with. When we look at our directions, we'll start by grabbing that strip of purple paper. This is tissue paper and it's folded over a bunch of times. What you want to do is take your scissors and just cut this purple paper in 2 strips. They don't all have to be the same size. Just want to cut them up so that you can layer them. Once you have all your strips of paper cut into smaller pieces, you want to put a good layer of glue on your paper plate. If you have a little squeeze bottle of glue, you'll just squeeze the glue and get a nice covering over your plate. I have told y'all before about our glue here at the library. It is gigantic. So I can't just pour it on top of my plate. I have to pour it into a little cup and then I paint it on. I'm gonna get that done real quick. Once you get your paper covered in glue, you're gonna start to stick down your purple strips of paper all over until you cover the surface of your paper plate. Just like this. You don't have to try to be neat. You can stick them all over because monsters are not very neat. Although I guess you could have a neat monster. Okay, I've got my paper plate covered with my purple strips of paper, and now I'm gonna let this dry for a minute while I move on to the next step. For the next step, I want to take my little strip of paper that has eyeballs on it and I want to cut out those eyeballs so I can stick them to my plate. Okay, so now I have 3 more or less round eyes to stick on my plate. Before I put them on though, I have a little bit more that I can do. You'll see the picture on your craft shows some little ears and a mouth. I'm going to use my colored strips of paper to cut out different things that might go on a monster's face. So I might cut out a red nose. Let me just try that right now. I'm going to give him a big red triangle nose. And I think I'm going to give him a jagged mouth with this little black strip of paper. And I think I want him to have some, I think I want him to have some bright green ears. So I'm gonna cut out what I think are an ear shape out of this piece of bright green paper. I think these will do for monster ears. Once I'm done cutting out my different facial features, I am going to glue those down onto my monster's face. So using this as my backdrop, I'm gonna go back to that Elmer's glue and I'm gonna put it on the back of my eyes and my nose and my different facial features. Now kids, you can put your eyes anywhere you want on your love monster. You can put them in a funny place like on his nose. You can put your eye under the mouth. I think I'm gonna make my eyes a little cattywampus. Look at that. My monster has eyes everywhere. Then I'm gonna stick his mouth down. Use my glue. See, now I have a little mouth for him right there. And you know, instead of using this as a monster nose, I think I want to do it as a monster tongue hanging out of his mouth. So let me try that real quick. Let's see how that goes. Yep, he's got a crazy monster tongue. And, oh. One monster ear over here. One monster ear over here. And now I have a wonderful monster face with crazy eyes, with a wiggly mouth and a funny tongue and green monster ears. Once I let this dry for just a little bit, I can start to add anything else I want. I can add glitter glue, which I'm going to try. I can add heart stickers because he's a love monster. But if you don't love love, then you can just put any kind of sticker on your monster. And I have some old foam stickers I'm gonna stick on. So I have no idea what my monster is going to end up looking like. First though, I want to start with my glitter glue. I've got blue glitter glue and white glitter glue. Now I'm going to move to my stickers. Well, I have finished my monster, my little love monster. He's got 3 crazy eyes, has some very adorable green ears. He has a silly mouth with a red tongue and a ladybug hanging out of it. And he's got a crazy necklace made out of hearts. And I am gonna keep this buddy around me to laugh. I can even use it as a mask and pretend like I'm the love monster. We hope you enjoyed this little craft and that you enjoy our Monster Storytime classroom this week, and we will see you next time. Have a good day.